Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this time, I will present my internship report. I am Muhammad Siti from Diploma Accounting student, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. My report entitled Internship Report at PT Jangkrindo Region Church Jakarta. The first chapter I cover is about the internship background. The presence of artificial intelligence not only helps companies in terms of efficiency, but can also reduce costs for workers because machines can replace jobs previously automated by humans thanks to AI. This worsens the condition of the work area, which is already scarce and is becoming less and less, because it is replaced by cheap and efficient brain iron. According to Alan, 2019, based on data from the McKinsey Global Institute, as many as 800 million workers worldwide will be replaced by machines with brain in 2030. Therefore, humans must continue to develop, hone their abilities and personalities to be superior to machines with brains. One of the things that can be done is to improve the quality of education at the tertiary level through increasing practical knowledge by attending seminars or direct work practice in the field. Field work practice are the answer to improving the quality of higher education graduates because, in addition to increasing knowledge and insight, through this internship program, students also add relationship and experience, which can later help students to quickly and precisely have a job after graduation. On this occasion, the practitioner carried out the field work practice program at PT Jangkrindo Regional Area Church Jakarta. The company is state-owned company engaged in credit guarantee service. And then purpose and objectives of internship. With work practice, which are one of the requirements for graduation in the accounting study program, Faculty Economy, State University of Jakarta, have the main purpose and objective, namely to provide a more comprehensive picture of the world of work. Then, usability of internship. And the first, for practicing, train and apply student skills according to the knowledge gained during lecture. And sharpen yourself to be professional, active, and responsible. And then gaining valuable experience and training yourself to think critically and work under pressure. And second, for the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Get feedback to perfect the curriculum in accordance with the needs of the agency or company and the demands of development in general. Thus, the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta can realize the concept of link and match in improving service quality to stakeholders. And third, for company Jangkrindo, as a form of realization and the existence of a mission as an institutional social function and responsibility, and establishing good and healthy relationship between the company and the higher education institution. And it is an opportunity to introduce the company to a wider audience. Establishing a cooperative relationship that can be beneficial between the agency and the company. And then company location. The place of practice in the implementation of this fieldwork practice is PT Jangkrindo, which is engaged in credit guarantee service. This agency is located at the Jangkrindo building Street Angkasa B9 Kevin Sheikh, Kota Baru Bandar, Kemayoran, Central Jakarta. Postal code 10610. The reason the practitioner choose PT Jamgrindo as a street vendor class is because the practitioner is interested in the business field undertaken by PT Jamgrindo, namely providing assistance in the form of credit guarantees to MSMI per year so that they can help the running of the country's economy. Besides that, the practitioner also wants to increase knowledge in UMKM accounting, where according to practitioner the use of accounting at the UMKM business level is still minimally used, even though it is important for business development. And schedule and time of internship. The first step is prepare. The prepare step in November, in first week and second week. And then the second step is registration. The registration step in November also, in third week and fourth week. And the third step is the implementation. The implementation step in December until February. Starting day 7 December during 11 February, 44 work day. And the last step is the writing. The writing step in February until March. And the process of implementing an internship. The first step is preparation. In the preparation process, the practitioner prepares the requirement needed to meet the requirement for submitting practical work to the camp. And the second step is implementation. In internship activities, practitioners carry out street vendors for 44 working days, starting from 7 December 2020 to 11 February 2021. And the last step is reporting. The process of preparing internship report is practiced when they are still implementing internship. This is so that when the practitioner needs supporting file or document, practitioners are easy to get there. And then company history. And the first 1970 establishment of PT Jamgrindo with the initial name of Perum PKK or Perusahaan Umum, Perusahaan Koperasi Keuangan. And second November 7, 2000, change of name to public company or Perum, Perusahaan Umum Business Development Facility or SPO or Perusahaan Umum Sarana Pengembangan Usaha. And the third, 19 May 2008, the company again changed its name to Perum Jamgrindo or Perusahaan Umum Jamgrindo. And the fourth, 2020, change of Perum Jamgrindo to PT Jamgrindo or Perusahaan Terbatas Jaminan Kredit Indonesia as Kredit Asuran Indonesia. And then vision and mission company. In vision, to be the main choice of business actors in guarantee service to support growth and equity in the national economy. In mission, increasing the financial accessibility of MSMEs by providing guarantees that are innovative, competitive, with the professional, effective, and efficient service in a sustainable manner. And then organizational structure of PT Jamgrindo Region State Jakarta. At the first, district office leader or pimpinan kantor wilayah, district office leader supervise head of business assurance and head of operational. Head of business assurance supervise business staff and head of operational supervise operational staff. In the implementation of my internship, I was assigned to operational staff. And implementation of my internship. The first, general journal entries forecast disbursement transaction. In the early stage, the practitioner receives a payment order note or NPM from the operational staff. The cash disbursement transaction type is marked with a CGC proof code. Then at the process stage, the practitioner inputs general journal bookkeeping forecast transaction into the ICPR accounting system based on the total expenditure on the proof of the transaction. And the third, second, general journal bookkeeping input on current account issuance transaction. In the early stage, the practitioner receives a memorandum from the regional leader 3 Jakarta. The type of current account issuance transaction is marked with the proof code BGC. Then, at the process stage, the practitioner enters general journal bookkeeping for current account issuance transaction into the ICPR accounting system. For example, when a fund disbursement transaction occurs from a checking account for the purpose of returning the guarantee service fee or IGP. And the third, input of adjusting journal bookkeeping on recording of salary payment. At the initial stage, the practitioner receives all list of salary payment from the operational staff. The wage payment recording adjustment journal is marked with the PGC proof code. Then at the stage of the process, a practitioner enters the adjusting journal bookkeeping for recording salary payment into the ICPR accounting system. And obstacle. At the first, there is no job description for the practitioner. There is no description of the job description for the practitioner, thus making the practitioner difficult at the beginning of the implementation of internship. And the second difficulty adapting. At the beginning of street vendor, practitioner had difficulty adapting to the work environment and applying other than that in the operational sector. And the third, implementation of internship work from home who do not get a job. Within the COVID-19 pandemic, the implementation of office activities at PT Jamprindo is carried out by work from home and work in office. When the practitioner carries out with work practice at home, the practitioner does not get a job. And how to overcome constraints. At first, there is no job description for the practitioner. The absence of clear job description for the practitioner makes the practitioner try to take the initiative to offer job assistance for personal staff or other staff, and the practitioner asks for guidance to the supervisor for an explanation of the flow of the accounting cycle along with what work can the practitioner do. And the second, adaptation difficulty. To be able to adapt to the environment, the practitioner tries to communicate directly with all staff in the company and ask a lot about the culture that exists in the company so that the practitioner is not awkward about change or existing culture. And the third, implementation of work from home street vendor who do not get a job. The COVID-19 pandemic cannot be underestimated. The company policy of doing work from home is a good. The practitioner takes the initiative to ask for work from staff or method that can be done at home, and the practitioner also takes the initiative to learn PowerPoint about material related to Jamkrindo company, and also practice work on Jamkrindo company quiz question given by supervisor at the office. And then conclusion. At the first, field work practice on internship is a program that is very appropriate in final learning for students. Placing the practitioner at Jamkrindo company provides a new perspective for the practitioner in seeing the world of work more professionally and competently. And the second, practitioner the insight into how to do general journalism of transactions related to cash and account, growth, and accounting application system. And the practitioner gains no knowledge about the guarantee company. And the practitioner gets work experience so that the practitioner can prepare to enter the world of work. Practicing can learn to practice adapting to the work environment and gain experience that are not obtained when in the world of lecture. And the last, by realizing the shortcomings that are on when carrying out the field work practice, the practitioner makes it a lesson to become a better student from a technical and non-technical point of view in the field accounting. And then suggestion. The first for outdoor practitioner, for the practitioner or the next student who will carry out the field work practice. They should prepare themselves to study the company where the field work practice are implemented. And the second, the practitioner must have high initiative in order to be professional and competent. And the last, the practitioner should have a polite and disciplined attitude during surrender. And for the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, before internship activities are carried out, the faculty provides direction to students who will undergo internship before implementation, so that students are more ready and understood to carry out internship activities. And it is expected to collaborate with various agencies or companies. This can be useful for students in finding a place to carry out the internship program. And third, provide more detailed data and insight to the next student who will carry out street vendor regarding the list of companies that students can choose as a place for implementing street vendor. And for company Jamkrindo company maintains good relation and cooperation with the State University of Jakarta to make it easier for students to carry on street vendor, which in turn can also facilitate the search for qualified prospective workers, and providing direction and knowledge to students who are street vendors so that student abilities can be maximally utilized and can understand the general picture of the company. It is hoped that giving jobs to students maximally, so the students who are street vendors can implement their knowledge with the work done at the street vendor.